afternoon. Now the time is 1:37 and today is the 27th of 22nd of July. And as I discussed in the last video, I carry forwarded some of the position in Friday. And today morning I have exited those things, but it is kind of a roller coaster ride. But what exactly it happens, I will explain each and everything. And if you can able to see here, like it almost went 86,000 loss and profit. There are the many positions that I covered here. And but overall, I exited in profit only 17,000 plus profit. Morning I booked it, and I have taken the press positions, which is also same similar strategy which I took on the Friday. But I will explain first thing what happens in the market and how that behaves each and everything. Let me open the chat. Basically, what happened is the morning is market opens like almost 70 point gap down. After that point, if you can see this point, this is where the market was opened. But later point, from that point, the market is keep on moving in the upward directions. But basically, the morning, as I mentioned in the last video, my range was I think my upper break even is 12,370, and as per the Friday status, as per the Friday video. And for this particular positions which I exited now currently, that was the range, but I almost lost in the 40,000 loss. But what I did is I exited the few of the positions on the here side. I took a risk there. Let me go to the chat. Okay, I exited particular stay like strategy means which I exited whatever the profit that I had exited, and I hold the call side only, and somewhere around that was the loss of 1,16,000, and it came down and I sold it in around 70,000. My overall net to profit in that particular trade is 17,000. And coming to the fresh trade which I took is currently what I did is I did a combination of put call ratio, put as well as call ratio. I sold it in the current, I bought the current market price and I sold it 2 points away from the current market price. Like what exactly now the in the current scenario, this is how the pay up chart is looks like. Let me open that strategy. Yep, this is how the pay up chart is looks like. And if anything closed between this one, like you can ignore this point, like overall 21,000 it is showing. And if you can see here, this is the current chart now. If the market is closed in this particular range only, I'll make in the significant amount of money. Like if the currently is the market is 12,440, but it should not close in between this range. Like again, what is the range is 12,330, 12,416 to 12,434. In this range is I will be last luck like around 4 to 5,000. But if it is close apart from any range in between this range, I'll make some kind of money. But my overall profit, like in this particular trade, I'm looking for around like 8 to 10k. And if I'm making like 27 to 30k profit today, I'm going to exit the trade. This was the plan. Like overall, the plan is simple. Until this, like currently, this position is looks good. Until this position, if the until this market is not closing this within this range, I'm not going to do any kind of adjustments. If the market is moves in any either of the directions in significant way, I'm going to do adjustments and the maximum loss that I'm going to take. But in current scenario, if you see that it's already 141 means another 2 hours of market, like I would say market is also in middle of the range, middle of this pay up chart. And if it is present in this particular range only, I'll make very good of amount of money. And my assumption is market may go up in the further, like if you can see this range in the 5 minutes candle, like yeah, it is going and hitting in this particular range. If it is breakout and it may go up, but in the upper side, I am having the risk until 510. Even if it is closed till 510, I'll make some money. That's not like I will. My break even is 516. If it is closed around the 500 also, that's fine. Like that was the upper side risk, but in the lower side it should not close around this range. Like again, if it is closed again 380 390, I will make a maximum amount of profit. That's all about. And I will update the next further update at 3:30 in the final update. and thank you so much. Hi everyone. Now the time is uh, around 3 o'clock, and I closed my positions, all of my positions. My overall profit is 2681, and even if I close, I placed 13 orders. Like I can even the 1500. If it is a brokerage, and I can make 24,400 rupees profit. This is for the today, and also I'm planning to make one more trade for the tomorrow. I'm carry forwarding one trade that is in the Fin Nifty. Basically, I'll explain what happened in the current expiry in the mid cap that I took the trade just now. And this was the case. Like I think in this particular range, I sold all of my positions. I was completely like I think 2681. If I'm holding it now, it was around 22,000. I was in the 22,000 profit. Around like 4,000 will be like because I bought that the money option that may decade, and the out of the money call options which I sold that may decrease, but the buy option was very huge. That is why I sold it, and my overall profit in this today's trade is 26,081. Let me trade in the one more thing. This is actually in the tomorrow's expiry we are having, and also tomorrow we are having a budget, union budget. What is my plan is for the tomorrow is this is a Fin Nifty. Basically, I took like 400 range. I'm going to sell at the money call option and put option naked. And what will be the plan is simple. Like this is my range, and I'm going to take 4,000, 24,035, as well as 24,000 134. This was the range, complete range. What I will do is I will sell the at the money call option and at the money put option, not at the money. Like in the lower side, I will take little bit uh, 1 point away of the current market price, because uh, what I'm thinking is even if the budget is negative, the market may fall. But my intention is not like I will not hold tomorrow until the market ends, because what is the plan is tomorrow budget will start around 11 o'clock. Within that 11 o'clock, whatever the capturing that capturing the points that I will square up all of the positions, and I will look for the opportunity in the single side or one-way directions. One until that breaks, like I'm not going to do anything, because anyhow tomorrow if I'm considering the global market also, let me look at the global market. Considering the global market also, if you can see the somehow the European market is a positive, as well as US market is also a positive and mixed. But wherein the Asian markets today opened at lower, but it is recovered very good, and also negative sentiment to it turns into positive. The almost like mid-cap Nifty and all the things are like rallied very well. Like if you can see this mid-cap Nifty is almost 2% up, and also Sensex, and these are all in the negative case, like in the large cap sectors. And coming to this one, what will be the tomorrow plan is like I'm going to sell at the money. Like let me position that two orders, basket order. I will open the okay. Let me it's 24,000, 23,600 Fin Nifty call option. It's around trading around 250, and I will 120 quantity. I'll sell it. It's around 26,000 premium. I'm collecting it, and 23,550. I'll sell the put, because I need some buffer in the lower side, 120. So what will happen? How this play up looks? I'll open it. This is how it will look, and what will be the plan? This one. Yep. This is the pay up chart it looks. On the higher side, we are having 1.7 percentage risk, and the lower side it is like not a risk, it is a 1.7 percentage buffer, as well as in the lower side we are having 2 percentage. Even if market is closed around somewhere around in this range, even if it is a tomorrow, what I'm thinking is it may closed in the like bearish only, but not it won't like what I'm thinking is I will hold until 11 o'clock until the budget starts. Whatever the decays happens, like even the maximum loss that I'm going to take in this trade is the 10,000 to 12,000. If it is in my range only till 11 o'clock, that is very good. I will capture around around like 12 to 15K as per this one. Once the budget announced, the premium will get decayed and I can make good amount of money. That is a plan, and that I'm going to do like I will place this order. Let me place it once again. Okay, 1.7 and 1.6. The current market is this one, 600. If I can sell this one also, because the premium that I have 186 is the 3 lot. I'm having lower side is a 1.9 percentage. Okay, that's fine. Like even 172, that means let me go to chart 172. This will be the plan. 172, it will come around. Let's open the 1 hour candle. 172 is the okay. 172, it will come around here. Okay, that means from 600 point to 172. Yep, this is almost 400 point. I don't think this is going to drop tomorrow. Even if it is drops also, like I'm not going to hold until the market sentiment. Like suppose if the union budget is starts, then I'm going to exit this trade and I'll close for the position for the day. And let me close it. Let me place the order. Yeah, I placed it 120 quantity each, and I will hold it and I'll update tomorrow what is the status and all, like what is the overall profit and all. I'll be updating in the tomorrow's video. Thank you so much. Today I'm closing with 26,080 around profit. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit a like button. And thank you all. I hope you had a very good trading day today. And I wish all the best for all of you to have a very good profitable day going forward. Thank you.